What if you could take a vacation to Mars? As staggering visuals of the cosmos manifest before your eyes, this mind-blowing question is not just an imaginative journey anymore. It's a tangible reality, slowly coming together right in front of us. A significant architect of this reality is SpaceX, the trailblazer that has seized the torch of the space race, blazing forward with a mission to transform space travel. Established in the early 21st century by the visionary Elon Musk, SpaceX was born with a daring and audacious goal: to bring space travel within the reach of not confined to astronauts or the ultra-rich, but meant for ordinary individuals like you and me. The aspiration was to turn the cosmos into our next frontier, a realm where humanity could scatter and prosper. But the expedition was destined to be difficult. Like any pioneer, SpaceX confronted its fair share of obstacles and trials. From initial setbacks that almost led to the company's downfall, to the cynicism and incredulity faced from entrenched space organizations and the general public. However, instead of being discouraged, these adversities only intensified the company's determination. SpaceX, under the unyielding leadership of Musk, soldiered on. They adapted, created, and broke the barriers of what was deemed feasible. With each launch, each landing, each mission, they silenced their critics and moved one step closer to their vision of democratizing space. Today, SpaceX stands as a symbol of innovation and resilience. The company has not just survived, but flourished, marking several milestones from the triumphant launch and landing of reusable rockets to the historic Crew Dragon missions that have once again turned America into a spacefaring nation. The dawn of a new epoch in space exploration has commenced, and SpaceX is at the helm. It's not just a company, it's a movement, a tribute to human creativity and the unwavering chase of progress. From a dream to reality, SpaceX has genuinely initiated a new chapter in the narrative of human space exploration. Scene script: space travel has always been an expensive affair, but what if it didn't have to be? Imagine a world where rocket launches are as commonplace as airplane flights. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's the reality that SpaceX is working towards. The game-changing innovation brought by SpaceX is in the field of rocket technology. Traditionally, rockets have been single-use. After delivering their payloads into space, they'd fall back to Earth and burn up in the atmosphere. This made space travel a costly endeavor, akin to building a brand new airplane for every flight. SpaceX looked at this model and thought, there has to be a better way. Enter the reusable rocket. SpaceX's Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets are designed to return to Earth after delivering their payload, landing vertically on a landing pad. This is a feat of engineering that was once thought impossible, but it's now a routine part of SpaceX launches. The rockets can then be refurbished and flown again, drastically reducing the cost of each launch. But it's not just about cost-effectiveness. Reusability is also about sustainability. By reusing rockets, SpaceX is reducing the amount of material waste produced by each launch. This is a crucial step towards making space travel more environmentally friendly. And then there's the impact on the frequency of launches. With reusable rockets, SpaceX can launch more frequently. This opens up a world of possibilities, from more satellite deployments to more scientific missions, and even regular trips to the International Space Station. And let's not forget about the long-term vision. SpaceX's ultimate goal is to make life multi-planetary. To achieve this, we'll need to launch a lot of rockets. The cost-effectiveness and frequency afforded by reusable rockets are key to making this vision a reality. With reusable rockets, SpaceX has not only broken barriers in cost, but also paved the way for frequent and affordable space travel. The dream of regular space travel, once confined to the realm of science fiction, is now tantalizingly within reach. What if our next holiday destination was not on Earth, but on the red planet Mars? Now that's a thought to ponder on. But for SpaceX, this is not just a far-fetched idea, it's a goal, a very ambitious one indeed. So let's dive into the extraordinary plans of SpaceX, the brainchild of Elon Musk, aiming to colonize Mars. The timeline for this colossal endeavor is as fascinating as the mission itself. SpaceX hopes to send its first cargo mission to Mars as early as 2024, followed by a crewed mission around 2 years later. However, these dates are Elon Musk's optimistic predictions, and the actual timeline may be subjected to changes due to the complex nature of space travel. Now you might wonder, how does SpaceX plan to pull off such a monumental task? Well, the answer lies in their groundbreaking technology. The centerpiece of this mission is SpaceX's Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft currently under development. Starship is designed to carry up to 100 passengers, along with the cargo necessary to build a self-sustaining civilization on Mars. The spacecraft will be powered by Raptor engines, which are designed to work with the methane that can be found or manufactured on Mars, thereby enabling return trips to Earth. However, this dream of Martian colonization is not without its challenges. The journey to Mars itself is fraught with obstacles. The spacecraft will have to travel a distance of around 225 million kilometers, a journey that could take anywhere from 6 to 9 months. The crew will have to deal with prolonged periods of microgravity and exposure to radiation, not to mention the harsh and inhospitable conditions on Mars, such as its thin atmosphere and freezing temperatures, pose significant challenges for human survival and sustainability. Despite these hurdles, SpaceX is leaving no stone unturned in its quest to make Mars colonization a reality. The company is investing in advanced life support systems, developing technologies for in situ resource utilization, such as producing water and oxygen on Mars, and studying ways to protect astronauts from radiation. It's a daunting task indeed, but if there's one thing we've learned from history, it's that humans are capable of achieving extraordinary things when we dare to dream big. And the dream of colonizing Mars is a testament to our relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. The dream of setting foot on Mars is no longer a distant fantasy, but a future reality that SpaceX is tirelessly working towards. Imagine a future where interplanetary travel is as common as catching a flight to another country. Sounds like science fiction, right? But with the rapid advancements in space technology, particularly by SpaceX, this could soon become our reality. Let's take a quick rewind. We started with the dawn of a new era with SpaceX, a private company making strides in the final frontier. We saw how they broke barriers with their innovative rocket technology, making space exploration more economical and sustainable. And then, we delved into their ambitious plans for Mars colonization. Now let's gaze into the crystal ball of the future. The exciting prospects for space travel are infinite. Not only will we be able to visit other planets, but we could also potentially establish human colonies there. This could alleviate population pressure on Earth and open up new resources for us to use. Moreover, the advancements in space technology could also have spin-off benefits here on Earth. For example, the development of more efficient propulsion systems could lead to more sustainable means of transportation. But it's not just about resources or technological advancements. It's about the human spirit. The spirit of exploration, of pushing our boundaries, of venturing into the unknown. Space travel allows us to satisfy this innate human curiosity, to answer fundamental questions about our existence and our place in the universe. There are certainly challenges to overcome. But with every challenge comes an opportunity. And with companies like SpaceX leading the charge, these challenges seem less insurmountable. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, it's clear that the sky is no longer the limit, thanks to the pioneering efforts of companies like SpaceX. So fasten your seatbelts, everyone. The future of space travel is about to take off, and it promises to be an exhilarating ride.